Thanksgiving is this week. That means a big complicated dinner for many. Pacific Northwest Suburban Homesteading has videos to help you with that holiday food prep. My sister Jen showed roasting the turkey in a countertop roaster. My dad showed us his homemade pie crust recipe and his bread maker dinner rolls. My mother-in-law made her pumpkin pie. Mom made rolls by hand. The remote homestead accomplished Shauna taught us how to churn homemade butter. This week, Scott will show you how to brine a turkey. The links to all these videos are in the comments, or you can use the Thanksgiving playlist on the channel. We at Pacific Northwest Suburban Homesteading wish you all a happy Thanksgiving.